Hey guys, welcome back. So it is finally getting morning, and there's a dog there, a puppy. Well, this music is cool. Daycare center. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you a skill. Oh no. I don't know what does this thing happened. Wine airs or in airs. I don't know. I'm confused. But later there will be school. But in Metro Manila, there's nothing because of PayPal visit. There you go, there's the school. There is a river that is fresh and cold. Yesterday, we have a trip. And now, we're gonna eat first today. Today is Friday, January. Trying to remember, trying to remember, trying to remember. What date is today? January 16, 2015. So, today, here is your challenge. I want you to reach 500,000 likes or 5,000 likes or 1 million views. There are mountains, a jeep, no, not that, a tree is cool. Anything else in this village? Yeah, I call it the village. It's called the Bagan village. I call it the Bagan village. Oh no. There are colorful rocks in here. I have a stick and a glove. That's what I'm talking about to you. Yeah, in a previous video. If you don't see it, okay. So, thank you guys for watching and goodbye. Goodbye.